The work roles report is a development report which is driven by our WAVE personality questionnaire. In terms of what it's trying to achieve, there are 3 elements we can break it down into. So the first element is all about understanding yourself, so understanding your preferred and less preferred working styles. We then think about using that learning to think about how you can work better with others in the workplace. And finally, bringing that all together in a team setting. So thinking about how can your preferred role work better with other people's working styles. The Work Roles Accreditation is a train the trainer style course where we will focus on training you on how to firstly make the most of the Work Roles report, so understanding how you can facilitate exercises to help individuals understand themselves at work better. And the second element is then thinking about how we can take the learning about yourself into a group setting. So thinking about how to facilitate sort of more team building type exercises. Very interactive day. So we actually run a lot of the exercises together as a big group. Haven't run a course yet where there haven't been lots of laughs and lots of learning about yourself as well as part of the day.